We see one more logical and Venn diagrams. Question is that study the figure carefully and answer the given answer questions. So this is the figure: one triangle, another small triangle, another circle, and one square. So in this, areas are marked. This is only covering this big triangle A, and small triangle covering F, D, I, H. This part of H only. Then circle covering I, H, G, G, E, and triangle covering B, G, H, G. So like that we covered. So big triangle represents artist, small triangle scientist, and this square represents dancers, and circle represents doctors. So let us see the questions on this. Which letter represents the artist, who are doctors and dancers only? Here this part of this F4, except this, everything all are comes under artist, because this big circle covering everything. So they are all, except this F part, they are all are artist. So which letter represent the artist, who are doctors and dancers only? So doctors this and dancers are this. Common to both this circle and square is G. So G letter represents this, only doctors and dancers. Then which letter represent the artist, who are neither scientist nor doctor? It should not be doctor, should not be scientist. So for that, what are the reasons are there? This is artist, this should not be scientist. Scientist means this should not be this small circle should not be covering, and same way doctors is this small triangle should not be covering, and also circle not covering. Out of this, what are the letters are there? A is there and B is there. So A and B are the represent artists, who are neither scientist nor doctor. So then which letter represent the artist, who are dancers as well as doctors? Here doctors and dancers. This is artist. It should be in the big triangle, and they should be also in the dancers in square and doctors in the circle. So circle and square in between should be the covering this G, and G is in two parts, here also, and H is there. So G and H are the doctors and dancers. Okay. Then which letter represent the artist, who are neither doctor nor scientist nor dancer? See, this should be artist. It means big circle should be in the big circle, but not doctors. Now it means you remove this circle. Then scientist. Scientist means this small triangle. Then the dancers. Dancers means this square also should remove this. So left with only this A part. So the covering A only are the artists, who are neither doctor nor scientist nor dancers. Then which letter represents the scientists, who are not artists? See, they are scientists and not artist. Not artist means first of all you go out of this big circle, big triangle. So left with only this part. So F is the scientist, who are not artists.